Today we're going to look at another pedal from Musontek. Today's pedal is the FurFur Fuzz. Now, I will admit that my absolute favorite pedal is always Fuzz. I love Fuzz. And this one, I can't wait to hear. In the description, it promises not to sound like a standard fuzz phase or a tone bender or even a muff. So if it's unique from those, it's gotta be good. So let's get it open and take a closer look. Clean off my table. FurFur. What a cool name. FurFur Fuzz. Sorry, I'm just all smiles because I love pedals when they're cool, and these just look cool. And if they deliver what they promise, then they're gonna sound cool too. The pedal comes with a foam backer, instruction booklet, nice little color instruction booklet. Comes in a nice little holding case. The whole thing is just well packaged. I really do like that. Shows attention to detail. It's got knobs for fur and for rough, and then a switch for low, medium, and high. That's a cool design. You gotta like it, don't you? You just gotta like it. I'm not sure what a FurFur is. He looks kind of like an opossum with a bat wings and devil horns and a squirrel tail. I don't know. FurFur Fuzz. Let's get it on the board and plug it in because I can't wait to hear this one. Three-way position for the EQ. So it's labeled LMH, low, medium, high, I assume. I like the middle. Yeah, definitely sounds fuzzy for sure. Changing the fur, or the bias in this case, definitely changes the way it distorts. Now that sounds like distortion there. Depending upon where you dial it into, you can get fuzz face sounds and tone bender sounds. And I think even something that resembles a muff too. So when they say it's not like that, I think it is like that, but with a whole lot more. Infinitely variable fuzz. We got the 3 tone settings, as well as the bias control. Gives you a lot of control. Was the FurFur Fuzz. I want to thank you again for clicking on the video today and watching me demonstrate the Musontek FurFur Fuzz, a really, really versatile fuzz pedal with a 3-way EQ switch, as well as that bias knob, which gives you distortion up to really thick Velcro fuzz. I like it. So, again, I want to thank Musontek for sending that out. I do appreciate that. I want to thank you for watching, and until next time, take care of yourself, enjoy your gear, and most of all, peace. FurFur. How freaking cool is FurFur? Look at that. FurFur.